Singsang Tai Tai Lei Ho. I am Rose Jean Francisco, born on October 16, 1995, 30 years old, from Masbate, Philippines. I am married and blessed with three children ages 11, 9, and 8 years old. I am a college undergraduate, and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as a housemaid in the Philippines for 4 years and 2 months from October 2018 to December 2022. I served one couple and two children ages 6 years old and 3 months old baby.
Hello, Miss Rose Jen Francisco. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their children.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, madam, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
All right, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, madam, I will just talk to them nicely, love them, and understand them because in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed, keep sharp objects away, and keep harmful material out of their reach.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet. Feed baby on time and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Rose Jen Francisco, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Mom and sir, thank you and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.